Finally, Utila Geography 301, I'm going to talk about watercolors, sandy beaches, and docks. If the water is darker, it usually means it's deeper water or turtle grass. If it's light, it usually means it's sandy, and varying colors means it's the reef channels, or light brown, they might be coral heads. You can see us boating over turtle grass. It might be a little bit deeper, but I'm pretty sure that's turtle grass. In the top left corner, you see all those beautiful varying colors of the reef. You can see the turtle grass there, and then that light blue patch is sandy underneath. Now let's move on over to Pine Point, which is on the west side of Utila. It's on the leeward side of our easterly trade winds. So the ocean is calm most of the times of the year, which is part of the reason why you see a bunch of boat docks out here. Another reason boat docks are possible is because of the sandy shores and there's no reef out front. Pine Point is completely boat access only because of Gibson's Bay and the Elia Canal, which separates the utility road on the south shore from this area. So let's go back and investigate the turtle grass that you see along the shoreline, that dark area there. This is turtle grass. It's really beautiful, and it's actually green, although it has that dark hue from the surface. The algae grows on the turtle grass, and then the conch eat the algae and the turtle grass, and the eagle rays and other predators eat the conch. Lovely little starfish enjoy sitting in the turtle grass, and you can also see from the surface how dark the turtle grass looks. Meanwhile, it's beautiful and green underneath. Now leaving the northwestern tip of the island in Pine Point, heading along the west side through Solomon's Beach, you reach Jonathan Point here and the shallow area, and you get to the well, which is on the southwestern tip of the island. Why can you have docks at the well? Well, this little shallow area and then this little island and the little point jutting out from Utila protect the area from the easterly trade winds. Moving over to the Utila Keys, it's an authentic fisherman's village, and there's actually two keys here, Upper and Lower Key, also known as Pigeon or Jewel or Saksak Key. And yes, I call them keys, not Ks. So there are no cars on the keys, and it's an absolutely adorable place to visit. There's a restaurant there called the Key View Restaurant or Herman's, and you can drive your boat right up there. And I like to order their shrimp, and their fish fingers are excellent. There's a bridge here that separates Upper and Lower Key. Lower Key is also known as Pigeon or Saksak Key, and Upper Key is also known as Jewel Key. And here you come over to Diamond Key, and this is actually not a key. This is a shallow sandy patch, so you got to watch when you're boating through there and through these channels right there. And then you'll never guess what happened right here. Yes, that was one of the most incredible dolphin experiences I have had in my life, and you can hear me screeching like a banshee. I hope that one day you'll experience the same thing, because it is priceless. Let's explore some other keys. This is Water Key, and there are charter companies that will take you there. This is Bush's Charters, just leaving the key right now. You need to bring everything with you, like your drinks and your food when you go to Water Key. There is a bathroom there now, and there's an entrance fee, which is currently 100 lempiras, or about $4 per person. You guessed it, this white part is a giant sandy patch, which is where we usually hang out when we go to Water Key. Back to the key exploration, they're going past Bell's Key. In the back there you see Jack Neal Key, and of course the Fisherman's Keys in the background there. Now back to watercolor education. You can probably tell in this whole area what is what. We have our boat here, which is in a dark blue area, so it's deeper water. Where you see the light brown areas, it's either turtle grass or coral heads. And now you know a little bit more about ocean colors. So in this video, we mainly focused on the west side of the island and talked about a few of the Utila Keys and a little bit about Jonathan Point and the well here. In the next video, I'd like to talk about the top 3 requests that people have when looking for a property in Utila. A lot of people are looking for a place to build a dock, they're looking for a sandy beach, and they're looking for doorstep snorkeling. So we'll be talking about that, as well as the South Shore utility easement, that green line there on the map, and it runs parallel to the South Shore, connecting all of the boat access properties along this area. If you remember, this channel here separates the road access areas from the rest of the boat access areas. And the Elia Canal separates the boat access areas and the South Shore road access from the rest of the island. If you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.